Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
The cost to repair bike gears can vary significantly, ranging from a mere $15 for a minor adjustment to several hundred for a complete overhaul or high-end component replacement. Understanding what influences these costs is crucial for any cyclist facing shifting issues. The primary factors include the specific problem with your gears, the quality and type of components involved, whether you opt for professional shop service or a DIY approach, and the geographical location of the bike shop, which impacts labor rates. Often, a bike's gears simply need a basic adjustment. This might involve tweaking the derailleur limit screws or barrel adjusters, retensioning a stretched cable, or realigning a slightly bent derailleur hanger. For these simpler fixes, a bike shop typically charges a labor fee between $15 and $40. This is usually the best-case scenario and a common tune-up item. However, if the issue stems from worn-out or damaged parts, the cost quickly escalates. Common parts that fail or wear out include shifter cables and housing, which can fray, stretch, or become contaminated, leading to sluggish or inaccurate shifts. Replacing a gear cable and housing usually costs between $25 and $60, including both the parts and labor. A bent derailleur hanger, often caused by a fall or impact, can throw your shifting completely off. Straightening one might be $20 to $30, while replacing a badly damaged one could be $30 to $70, depending on the hanger's specific model and the labor involved. More expensive repairs involve replacing major drivetrain components. If your derailleur itself is bent, broken, or has excessive play, a replacement is necessary. Entry-level derailleurs might cost $30 to $50 for the part, plus $20 to $40 in labor, bringing the total to $50 to $90. Mid-range derailleurs can push this to $100 to $180, while high-end road or mountain bike derailleurs can easily be $150 to $400 plus for the part alone, with labor adding another $30 to $50. Similarly, a worn-out cassette, which is the cluster of gears on your rear wheel, and chain often need to be replaced together to ensure smooth, efficient shifting and prevent premature wear on new components. A new chain and cassette typically range from $40 to $100 for parts, with labor adding $20 to $40, making the total $60 to $140. For higher-end bikes, these parts can easily exceed $200. The shifters themselves, especially on modern bikes with integrated brake/shift levers, can be the most expensive component to replace. A basic shifter might be $30 to $50, but mid-range to high-end shifters can cost $80 to $300 or even more per unit, plus labor ranging from $30 to $60 due to the complexity of routing cables and setting them up. If multiple components are worn or damaged, a bike shop might recommend a full drivetrain overhaul, which could involve replacing the chain, cassette, chain rings, and potentially derailleurs and cables. This comprehensive service can range from $150 to $400 plus, depending heavily on the quality of the new parts and the labor involved. Choosing to do it yourself can save you on labor costs, but it requires specific tools, some mechanical aptitude, and the time to learn. While simple adjustments are often manageable for DIYers, replacing derailleurs, cassettes, or shifters can be tricky and lead to more problems if not done correctly. You'll still pay for the parts and potentially for specialized tools like a chain whip, cassette lockring tool, or cable cutters, which can add up. For complex issues, or if you're unsure, professional diagnosis and repair are usually the safest and most efficient options. Preventative maintenance, like regularly cleaning and lubricating your chain, checking for bent components, and getting periodic professional tune-ups, can significantly extend the life of your drivetrain components and minimize the need for costly repairs. Always get a professional assessment if you're experiencing persistent shifting problems, as an accurate diagnosis is the first step to an effective and cost-efficient repair. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing for more cycling tips and guides.